You guys are going to see a lot of low volume trades, or a lot of low volume throughout the rest of the year. So not so many trades coming out of me for sure. So if you guys are waiting on me to take a bunch of positions, you're going to be waiting
Yep, I'm done for the year as well.
for the rest of the week because only trades that I'm taking from here on out are premium trades. You ever wondering when's a good time to take a vacation when you're a trader? End of the year's not a bad option.
I'm sorry, but if you had 25,000 a month ago and now you have 106,000, you do not make that kind of money. 225, 250% taking sound trades. That's just YOLOing.
The only way you make money like that on like good risk to reward trades is like if you were in something like Neo, you know what I mean? Like something that goes like absolutely vertical.
Hey Deja,
Yeah.
What's up?
Intel's up 5%.
Yeah, they had news. I didn't really understand the news. I saw it on Twitter, but it was something about changing their strategic um, approach or some shit.
Yeah, I
And
was just looking at this stuff on Twitter.
Are you guys still in that Intel trade?
I am on my Weeble account. It's the only contract I have open on the account.
Holy shit.
Yeah. I withdrew all the money and then just left that contract open.
hold on, the January 60 ones?
Yeah,
Or
no,
50?
January 55s.
Holy shit, I thought you closed.
Nah, I just figured it's the only money I have left on that account, so I said whatever. They're up 140% today.
Fuck.
I'm down 90% still.
Yeah, I'm down like 3K on Lee. I don't know what the fuck happened to that, but I think it's the one that's has the most. It has more room to run.
I actually still have $200 left in that account. I should throw it at something.
Anybody know where you can find your history on YouTube?
Yeah, you go to the left little panel. And there's
Oh, okay, I found
yeah.
it. I found it. I'm looking for this guy. I remember I saw a video of his. It was so cringeworthy.
Deja, is it still 282 gets you to 292 for Facebook?
Let me take a look. So above 277 is going to get you to 285. Above 285, 292. And then if it holds above 292, it's going to absolutely explode because that is the all-time high resistance basically.
What stock is this?
Love to
Facebook.
hear. Hey, Cass, my dog Cass earlier.
What's up, man?
Chilling. Have you been trading crypto?
I closed out everything last night. I got stopped out on my one position I had open overnight.
Castro, DM me either your Cash App or your Venmo for the fantasy payout.
Oh, okay.
You get your
It's just
$100 back
oh, nice.
because you came in third place
It's just my Discord name on Cash App.
on Cash App.
Yeah.
All right, DM me anyway, so I don't forget.
Did you make money on the Ethereum pump?
I had bids filled at like low fives, like 560, 565. So I still have my long open.
Yeah, that's exact. I forgot to ask you last time. about the whole Christmas pump because I was like, yo, I know damn well Castro's in freaking Atrium.
I couldn't believe it, dude. I had to. I stayed up all night because
Me,
that fucking.
me
pump.
too, me too.
Castro, you remember that XRP bet that we were gonna make? Yeah, you're pretty
Yeah.
happy you didn't make that bet, huh?
Oh, bro, I'm super glad.
What did
didn't
I
make that
say? I
bet.
said 10 cents before a dollar.
Oh, you said 5 cents.
Oh, 5 cents? Shit, even that I'll still win.
Hey, watch that video, dude. It's so funny.
What did it go down? It went down to 17 cents.
Oh my god, it did.
Yeah, it's getting murdered.
Send it to fucking 0.
Hey, Ali, you
Hey,
said
Coinbase
thoughts on Baba?
delisting, it's huge.
Oh, yeah. Baba looks good now that it recovered. Where's that level on Baba? I've got a level somewhere. Here it is. So
Cash, I'm long Bitcoin right now.
you had a gap
You're long?
fill way down here. Right on this doji.
Says you're long Bitcoin.
So you filled
Yeah.
this gap on Baba, which was the bottom, basically. So now as long as you stay above, I'd say like 235, you look pretty bullish to go up and try to fill this most recent gap. The problem is you just put in a massive gap below you, so now you're stuck between two gaps. You have a massive gap above you, massive gap below you. So if you get below like 232, you're probably going to fill the lower gap. If you hold above 232, you're probably going to fill the upper gap. So that's kind of the line in the sand, is that 232 level.
Cash, I bought the wick down to the 1 hour pivot last night, and now it's putting in a bulldog, it looks like.
Hey, guys, CLSK sold off? Yeah, it was pretty extended. Right, it's going to pull back a little bit. Yeah, see that level I had drawn out? 30.85 is almost the top. You missed it by like 20 cents. What is that level? That's a daily pivot. You pulled back to
The guy-
support, though. Look at where it filled the gap, pulled back to support, now you're holding. So that's still pretty bullish.
Did you guys see that video I posted?
How long is it?
Oh, it's only like a minute 44. At the end, he says, "You guys
And look
have
where
no
it's going.
idea how easy
That's
it is to trade."
ridiculous. That's a flag right there. That's a boom.
He
Right?
can't
This is-
even make a paper account, and every bid he puts in, he's like, "Boom! I
That's
just made 80
ridiculous.
bucks,"
That's a
and the
flag
trade
right
is
there.
getting
That's
rejected
a
because
boom.
he's got no buying
Right?
power.
This is me. This is me right here.
Put a gas
XPEV
up.
could climb here.
Waiting right there. Waiting up.
It's above 40.
Waiting. I want to make sure it don't flush. Waiting right
Hey,
there.
JMA, I just saw
Waiting
that you
there.
closed out all your positions.
Nope, it's not ready.
Yep.
It's not ready because I've already
Any
played
reason?
this.
Do you just want to stay
Play
cash
that.
going
Yeah,
into
I'm going to
I wait
cash.
for
I
the
just took a
curl.
beating on PLTR,
Curl up.
salty
Don't
about it,
buy here.
and want to
I
be in
wait for the
cash.
curl up to get right here.
How do you see that it's getting
There?
rejected?
I would have been out right there.
Full
on that
screen it.
move. Gearing out.
The video clears
Oh,
up
made
once your
$100 on that
speed
trade.
picks up the
Boom.
quality, and look at the
Buy
top
that
left.
back. Pop
It
it
said
back.
rejected.
Oh,
and
I
then
see
you can-
rejected.
And look
Boom.
where it says option
Made
buying
$600.
power
Buy it
0,
again.
cash sweep
Boom.
0.
Oh, God.
Pop it again. Boom.
And the guy's like,
$80.
"Boom! I just made 80 bucks. Boom!
Boom.
I just made 60."
Jesus.
Deja, what do you think of that bulldog on Bitcoin 1 hour?
Let me take a look. The big one or the small one?
The with the 2 legs touching the pivot.
So the big one, right? Because you're like, you see what I mean? You're putting in a miniature one and a big one. They're both the same. They're both the same thing.
I think I'm looking at the big one then.
But it's a different. It would be like a different target. Let me see. Looks pretty good.
With a bull div, you see that?
Yeah. Yeah, the most recent one has like an exaggerated div.
What's the target on this?
That video, dude.
It's so funny, right?
Let me see.
Boom. You guys have no idea how easy it is to trade.
27,200 would be the first like fake out level, and then 27,700 would be the breakout level. breakout target.
I feel like Walmart is gonna climb under there.
Walmart has a falling wedge on the 1 hour. Dom, I don't know if you've seen my reply to your question
Kind of a
about skills.
hard trend line to draw on Walmart. Yeah, their trends are choppy. No clean trend.
No problem.
I'll Snapchat.
Asia,
What's up?
how does Neo look? I don't know if you've already went over this.
Neo already hit our target, so it's kind of like the trade's basically over. It's kind of creating a new trade. Like the trade was the falling wedge. You would have taken it at like 43, target 49. So it hits your 49 target. Now you're pulling back. So the only way this would give you like a new trade is if you hold above 49. You have kind of like an inverse head and shoulders coming in, which you can probably see on like a 4 hour. Let me see. Yeah, so like a 4 hour. It's pretty ugly though, because that candle's really bad. But it kind of looks like an inverse head and shoulders.
Okay.
Are there any pivots up here? You're sitting on a 1 hour pivot. You're on a daily pivot as well. So as long as that daily pivot holds, it's probably okay. I'll be right back.
Oh, look at the sell up on IWM.
Puts were coming in for that pretty heavy.
Damn, it's down almost 2%. It's being brought back up though.
Yeah, it's bull diving on the 15-minute. Do you use FTX, Castro?
Yeah.
Okay, so you could answer this. When I make an account, do I have to use or do anything special with the email address that I use?
No, just make sure your country you pick is like Mexico or I think I picked Germany.
Yeah, but I'm saying like, cause I'm gonna make a new email to use on like for my FTX.
Uh-huh.
Do I have to have the VPN on when I make that email address?
No, just when you make the FTX.
And do you put your real name on your email address?
No. I think I did on mine, but then I made another one, but I still use my main one. Like I
So your
ref
real
links
name-
myself. If that makes sense.
Reflect yourself. That's what I did on BitMEX too. It actually paid up, dude.
So yeah, because like I trade like a lot,
Yeah.
so I ref linked myself, but I still trade on like my main account with my real name.
Yeah.
So you used like your main email address for your
Yeah.
FTX login?
Yeah.
Castro, I think that's how they got me on BitMEX though. Is my email.
What do you mean?
I used my email that I use for everything else,
Uh-huh.
and I have never been flagged on my IP, like being in the U.S. But they still knew I was in the U.S.
Interesting.
And I think it's because my email, I use that email for a lot of shit. That's the only
Yeah,
thing.
so that's what I'm trying to ask.
That's the only thing that I could think of. But you don't need a VPN when you're making an email. Just don't. I
Yeah.
just wouldn't sign up with like a bunch of shit with that email. Just use it for trading.
What Deja said. You're gonna be okay as long as you never log in or like turn your VPN off while you're logged in on FTX.
Well, like
So
what I
that
did is I
happens with them.
downloaded Mozilla Firefox, and I'm only going to use that for crypto.
Yeah, that's smart.
And I use like
Oh,
Chrome
yeah.
for my other shit.
That's what I do.
That's good.
This is all hypothetical, of course, because we're streaming. You know.
Just game theory.
Yeah, just thinking about ways to. Yeah.
Yep. Dude, that fucking matchup with Jelly and Nick, oh my god, dude. That shit was crazy.
Yeah, I can't believe Jelly came back, even though he dropped 50 plus points in one player.
Yeah, I think Jelly, I think if you played your tight end or something, right, you would have won.
Oh,
Not
that's
to,
even
you know,
worse. Is that?
Not to rub it in.
Oh, if he would have put his tight end in his flex.
Yeah.
Oh, that sucks.
That was insane, dude. I fucking
Or his running back.
yeah, literally anybody that didn't get you fucking 1 point.
Yeah,
No more
literally.
talking.
Literally, your flex ruined your whole game, dude. That sucks.
Yeah, it was Robinson, him getting out.
That
And I
fucked me.
didn't
Wait,
Too,
why
realize-
was he
dude.
out?
That fucked me in the second league.
I don't
Oh,
know
how
why.
did you do in the second league?
I don't want to talk about it.
Oh, you lost, huh?
Lowest scoring week I've had all year in the final match.
Who'd you lose to?
Caesar.
Oh, buddy.
Literally my lowest. I scored 80 points, dude.
80 points?
Yeah.
Oh, that's a yikes.
84 points in the final match. That team hasn't gotten less than 100 in like 10 weeks, dude.
When it mattered the most.
I dropped 150 on that team like fucking 2 weeks ago.
Damn, 80 points.
It's rough, dude.
I don't know why that's so funny.
Literally, I'm double checking right now. Okay, I scored 70 one week.
Xpeng, hi there.
Xpeng, is that shit moving?
Is up 8%.
Yep, it was my second lowest score of the entire season. That's rough.
Also, Lee is climbing as well. LI.
Damn, dude, that shit came down super hard, dude. That shit was at $70-something at one point.
Yeah, I thought it was a joke.
Why did it drop so hard? Well,
Yeah,
moved
Dom,
like
that head and
3
shoulders, that's exactly what it looks like it's doing. That 50-minute head and shoulders that I was talking about. If it fails, like basically right where it is, it's probably gonna be bloody tomorrow. I want to see a strong close on this.
Cash, so you use 2FA on your FTX?
Yeah, they used to have on everything.
Like beers are waking up on Tesla. It's up finally $1.
Do you guys use an actual app or the texting?
Don't use the text.
I use the Google Authenticator. Yeah, don't use texting.
Don't use
'cause
text.
They can spoof your number.
Yeah.
Uh,
Never use text authentication for anything.
Yeah, that shit's sketch. Oh yeah, Tesla's doing some things. They're trying to do some things.
And a number one.
Get the Google Authenticator.
Yeah, that's what I'm using.
All right, I'm even a level extreme above that, dude. I have an iPhone that I don't use. And all my
Jesus.
Google Authenticator stuff.
So do
is
I.
on
It's on my old iPhone, my burner.
Yeah,
Never
How do
leaves
you
my
change it?
house.
the trap
Change
phone.
when you get a new phone.
They just updated the Google Authenticator app where it's like a screen thing. You can just easily change them.
You could when you do the Google Authenticator, it gives you like a QR code and you just save it. So I save it on my external, just in case I ever lose my phone.
Yeah, but
But
if you there's a new export thing.
oh, is there really?
Yeah.
I should update. I should up fucking.
If you update the app, there's an export. You can export your authenticator codes to the other device.
Interesting.
Castro, when you trade on FTX, do you use the futures? Is that how you trade Bitcoin?
Yeah. I do everything through an automated website called 3 Commas. Like I
Fuck
put
is
all
that?
my
It's a bot.
put all
It's a
my-
bot thing.
I put all my API keys from every exchange on there, and it lets me just trade on that website.
It's a terminal.
So you don't actually trade off of FTX website?
Ever. I only go on there to like get my clout card.
That's actually really
I have
safe.
a
I didn't
good
think about
trade.
that. So do you use a VPN when
Yeah.
you're doing 3 commas too?
Nope. You don't ever need to do it.
That's actually really smart.
So hold on. So I
Spotify
can make an
link.
account on 3 commas, link this FTX and other crypto
You have
accounts
to pay
to it.
monthly to it.
Yeah, I pay for the yearly subscription. I think it's on sale for like 60 or 70% off, but it's worth every penny, dude. It's literally worth
You can
every
do
penny.
automated
Let me
trading
give
on
you a
there too.
reference. Yeah. I don't use any of the
How
bots.
much
Like
do they
there's
let
like
you leverage?
whatever the fucking what the exchange lets you do.
It's
the same
just a
thing.
terminal. It's a terminal.
Yeah, there you go. That's the word I needed.
You can plug in accounts into the terminal, and you can trade all the accounts at the same time, basically.
Base?
Damn, dude, that's pretty
Hold on,
nice.
let me show you the thing too.
Do you have a picture of the UI?
Yeah, that's what I'm sending you right now.
They've been around for a long time too. They're popular. It's not shady.
Let me make sure my account balance.
What
is
do you guys
on
talk
here.
I thought about using them for automated trading, but I didn't do it.
What you guys
So they
talking
have
about?
what's his?
You guys talking about FTX?
3 commas.
3 commas.
Oh, okay.
Number 3 and then commas is their website, I think.
Like here, I sent it in chat. It's like I don't know if you can see it. You might have to blow it up.
Damn, you got a 100K account?
Wow.
I'm just kidding. I
No,
can't see your balance.
I hid everything so you can't see.
So you
anything.
like select the account that you want to trade on?
Yep, and then you pick the pairing, right? So if you open up my picture, you could do like smart trade, smart sell, smart cover. This is on Coinbase. I should have screenshotted the FTX so you can see the leverage side. But like you can do your take profit, you can do your stop loss, and it adjusts all the levels on the chart.
So
That's
the UI changes based upon what exchange you're using?
Yeah. I mean, it's all the same thing, but
Just
it
the
just
buttons.
adds the leverage. Yeah, just like the features, like smart long, smart short. It just
What
adds
does that mean? What does smart long, smart short mean?
Yeah, it just means long or short, but it just has the word smart on it, so you could adjust different things. It doesn't mean anything. It's just gimmicky. It's just a long or short.
Look like a 15-minute
Dude, I
move
can't
off.
trade without 3 commas, dude. Like I'll never go back to
Has a little
logging
huge
in on
hump
VPNs.
Hump Tuesday.
and all
Yeah,
that
sure. Just
shit.
get to the point. Send the ref link. Jesus.
Yeah,
How much do you pay for it?
Let me get you a ref link, bro. I don't know. Let me check. Let me check my subs. I just pay for it every year when it goes on sale. There's still a 70% off sale right now, so you should get it. Wait,
And you
don't
don't
sign
even
up.
you don't even need a VPN.
Nope.
So
you only
there's
need
literally
it
no
to-
point to open up FTX if you have
You
this.
need a VPN to get your API keys from
Just-
FTX, but once
yeah,
you do that,
yeah.
it's
Yeah.
over.
Just to sign up and get your shit. That's all you need.
Yeah.
Nice. He said nice show. Thanks, dude. It was unintentional, I swear.
How much
I've
do
been
they?
using this for 2 years.
How much do they cost?
I'm trying to figure out where my thingy is. So I pay $870 a month
It's not bad.
annually, but then that's like the annual price. so multiply that
870?
by 12.
No, $8, $8.
a
A
month.
year? Oh, a month.
But yeah, but then multiply that by 12.
He pays like 100 a month or 100 a year.
Yeah, shit's fucking worth, dude.
And that's with the sale price going on right now?
Yeah, that is the sale price. Yeah.
SRNE, I don't like this chart a lot. Ali, you just failed to
Plugging in my
pivot.
shill.
You would have to get above this pivot for this to look good. You're putting in a big accumulation. Looks like it wants to go back down to that support. Probably back down to like $6. Above $8, it looks better.
If you use this and you don't like it, I'll
refund
buy
you.
you a Snickers. Nah, I ain't got that much money.
He's giving you a money back guarantee.
Nah, I'm buying you a Snickers.
What do I think of WNT? You mean WMT? Are you talking about Walmart? I'm guessing. Wally World. You're in a big support right now. So as long as you stay above like 142, it should go higher. They got bad news. I can't remember what it was. They had bad news that caused them to go down here. But you are putting in a bull div, so as long as you get above like 145, get above that pivot. You have another pivot around like 146. But once you're above all that, should be pretty bullish. This is like a weekly support you're testing right now. Costco. Costco could be a bulldog forming, but it also could be a head and shoulders forming. So it really depends on what it does for the next like week or two. You're in a massive distribution, so there's no like clear direction.
Yeah, I don't know how Apple's going down on like bullish news.
They had bad news as well. They basically had
Wait, what?
They had news that they just used slave labor, which we all already knew.
China?
Yeah. China and Apple.
And I just posted on chat. It says Apple hits record after December surge, sends it past Amazon.
That should be bullish.
Yeah,
It's
no,
cheap
that's why I'm
labor.
like, I don't get it.
Oh, I was talking about the labor.
Yeah, that is true. They don't have to pay for it.
Never mind.
You're fucking right, dude. But yeah, I like Costco. Above like 373 would be better. Mayor of Miami wants to invest 1% of the treasury in Bitcoin. Jesus Christ. That has to be a top signal.
Dude, I'm about to actually.
When mayors fucking wanna
buddy.
buy, that's too much. You got
a lot
NFL
of
people
top
putting in
signals.
half their contract. Did you see that, Castro?
No.
This one guy, half his contract goes to Bitcoin. Like they're paying him out in Bitcoin.
Alright, I might go to Tether. Might tether like a quarter of my BTC, my hot wallet.
Go to Tether.
Which is also pretty sketch. I'm actually super scared something's gonna happen to Tether with the SEC stuff.
JMA was asking like, how do you tether on FTX? They use perpetual contracts, right?
You use your cash, your USD on FTX.
Oh,
You
I
don't
forgot
trade
about
with
that. So like,
BTC.
yeah, if you're not in a trade, you're just in cash.
Yeah, you're just
China
cash.
number one.
China number 1. USA number 5.
The highest ask on Apple right now in the order book flow is 146, and the sell volume's high.
On FTX, Is each contract $1?
I'll be honest with you, I have no idea.
How do you trade it?
I don't
What
know
do
the
you...
fees. What do you mean? I just plug in my prices that I want to buy and sell on.
Yeah, but like, what is it traded in? It's traded in dollars, right?
It's dollars, yeah. It's traded in dollars, yeah.
So when you're buying Bitcoin, if you put in 1,000 contracts, it's $1,000, right?
Yeah, there you go. Yeah, you don't trade with BTC. Is that what you're asking?
No, I don't know what I'm asking anymore, dude.
What are you saying,
I
man?
don't know.
You sound like someone that came in second place.
You came in third.
You got a great point. I have no comeback to that. Honestly, I don't like BitMEX anymore after using FTX. Like FTX is
I
fucking
can't
great.
like BitMEX. They kicked me off. Let me go fuck myself. They kicked
I
me
was
off.
thinking about KYC.
They kicked me off before it fucking skyrocketed from 19,000 to almost 30,000. You gotta love
technically,
it.
you did sell the top.
I did sell
Like,
the top.
The short-term top.
Yeah.
So had you just used, an FTX ref link from Dime
True.
or someone else, you could have relonged.
I downloaded Binance, the app, then they told me I needed a VPN. I'm like, what?
Yeah, don't do that, bro.
Yeah, that's
Yeah, don't do that.
nobody
I kinda
allows
fig- I
U.S.
kinda figured
citizens
that.
anymore. Basically,
It's pretty. Yeah, our regulations suck.
They have a
I'm getting outta
Binance
here.
US now.
Nah, that shit
a
sucks.
mobile
it's
app,
trash.
and it's trash.
It's there's like it supports like a quarter of the
Binance are the
coins
only
that-
people trading on that exchange.
Got you. Holy shit. So Binance is just trash.
The U.S. one is.
Yeah.
The China or Malta Binance. Or
Sounded like you were about to say China virus. Holy shit. Solo Ashwin doesn't look too bad. You're holding a support for now. You're holding a daily pivot. As long as you're above that pivot, it should be fine. It's like a descending triangle, though, so it's still pretty bad. Could also be an inverse head and shoulders.
Facebook, what? Bro. It's like it refused to stay above.
Ooh,
270.
MoneyGram to the penny. Bounced off a daily pivot. To the absolute penny. And you're putting in a bull div on the daily. That could be pretty bullish. As long as you hold that daily pivot, 492. That should be bullish. SPY is testing a 5-minute pivot right now and failing.
Damn, we look good in the morning. What happened?
You KYC'd on MEX? I didn't even think they allowed that. Did anyone ever find Arthur? Or is he still in hiding?
Nah, no one's gonna find Arthur. That dude's a billionaire.
I mean, like, has he even made any public statements since then?
I don't know. Let me go check. He was talking shit. Remember? He was like, "Fuck you, SEC."
Oh, I didn't see that.
Yeah, he was laughing at them.
Oh,
You're not gonna
God.
catch me, bro. Yeah, he's been MIA since September.
Dude, he's
He
worth
hasn't
billions of dollars, isn't he? If you take the insurance fund.
Oh, dude, yeah. 100%. That guy is super rich. I just, yeah, he hasn't posted since September. Yeah, his lawyers are probably like, bro, you need to.
Yeah,
Yeah,
calm
right,
down. Hey, they found McAfee.
Yeah, but that guy's an idiot.
Yeah, he is an idiot. You are right. I'll be right
He's
back,
like,
guys.
he's like tweeting about like having weapons and shit.
Hey, Castro, that
Yo.
3 commas, is there a phone app for that?
Yeah.
No shit, dude. And you could trade off the phone app without having a VPN.
Yes, but like I don't really trade on the phone app too much, other than like I just monitor my trades. I don't know if you could. I don't know if the UI is that good for trading though.
But
Unless
like if
they
I'm in a
updated
pinch,
it.
I'm able to sell or buy like
Yeah,
instantly.
yeah. You can sell. I don't know if you could buy. Let me check. I recently
So
updated the app.
once again, you do not need any kind of VPN once you have this. You just go to
Yeah.
their website and just completely trade off of that.
Yep.
Yeah, I'm
It's all
getting this.
API key.
Yeah,
Dude, I'm telling you, that's the
DM
only
me your
reason why I
wrestling.
use it. All right.
You got me, fucker.
Good man. Just understand that this was not intentional. It's just that's how good the service is. That's how good the service is.
All right, what are we talking about again? I might you may chill me into it.
3 commas.
It's so 3 commas is like a terminal where you link all your exchanges and you can trade on the website, and you don't have to VPN to do anything because you're trading off an API terminal.
And
Holy
like,
shit, that sounds beautiful.
dude,
Hold
it's
on,
fucking
one second.
amazing, dude.
That sounds,
Like,
that sounds amazing. Hold on.
that's how who scams me.
Hey Kiff, what's this bit, bro?
Castro, like,
Cock
is
blocking
there is it strictly like that screenshot you sent to the UI? Is that it, or can I like browse through the coins on like different?
You can browse through all the coins. I'll screen share my thing with you if you want to see it.
Yeah, I would like that.
Just,
I want to see like how the other part of the UI looks, like not the actual like to execute an order, but like the dashboard. Like, can I look through FTX, see what coins they have? Can I look through Binance, see what coins they have? Like,
yeah, here, I'll do it. I'll send you a thing right now. Or maybe like after stream or after trading day, I'll just share my screen with you.
okay.
I think it's easier.
Does it say when the sale ends by chance?
Let me check. Yeah, 5 days from now.
Okay.
5 days, 15 hours, 18 minutes.
So first I have to send, okay, and I was asking Deja about this earlier, like before, like years ago when I would send crypto from different exchange to a different exchange, I would transfer it to Litecoin and then send it. Is there a better way to do that now than to send it like strictly BTC?
No, BTC's fine.
Yeah, but don't
The
the
fees are
fees
so low.
fucking
Nah,
low?
dude, the fees were high back then because the network was so congested. I think if anything, Ethereum is like the worst thing to send right now. The gas fee. I mean, right now gas fee's probably low, but whenever there's a dude. Whenever there's a Uniswap fucking craze going on, gas fees are insanity.
Can you
dude.
do the Uniswap thing on this, or is that still MetaMask?
That's MetaMask, unfortunately. Actually, let me check if you can add it.
You're fucking
Let me
balls
try to-
deep in this shit, dude.
This is how I monitor all my trades, dude.
Hey, it's a fucking great idea. It's a great service.
Like I have like 3 trades open between 3 exchanges, and I can monitor every single one of them.
Why do you use different exchanges?
Like FTX lets me use like leverage for everything else, and then Coinbase I have like my spot that I need to
Gotcha.
watch. I hate trading on Coinbase because of the fees,
Yeah.
but there's so much like I don't want to move on Coinbase. I don't want to transfer like, oh, I'm not gonna say what I want to transfer, but yeah.
All right, I'm back. Just transfer all your money with Ripple, dude.
What can go wrong?
It might drop 20% in transit, but fuck. Your money will get there.
Deja, Castro was saying that the BTC fees are dirt cheap right now.
Oh, are they? I thought they were high as shit.
Nah, dude, they're dirt cheap.
Why are they cheap?
Because no one's actually using it to transactions. They're super low. I mean, the transaction volume is high, but like the network isn't congested like it was in 2017.
Dude, when I withdrew my money from BitMEX, I think I paid like $30 or $50 or some shit. Just a withdrawal.
You can look at the fee estimator right now.
You had to withdraw that to Coinbase too, right, Deja?
Yeah.
Or like Cash App or something,
Yeah.
and then they got you again,
Then
right?
they got me again, yep.
Fucking bent over, dude.
Yep. And then I bought a $300 steak night. So I got bent over again.
I just felt my beard grow a little bit, like looking at all this shit.
Are you
I did
getting the
that,
3
huh?
commas?
Yeah. But like, I don't even know if it's. I literally have like $2,700 in my.
I mean, if you're
in my
using
crypto
3
account.
commas, it's either for automated trading or for multiple exchanges. You're not really doing either one of those, but it will spare you from the VPN thing. But
Dude, and they have a mobile app that I could trade off of that.
oh, they can do the mobile. That's good.
Yeah, and I don't need a VPN for that either. So
Yeah, I'd probably do that.
like
Dude,
that's
it
the
just
thing.
makes
Like
your life so much easier, dude.
my crypto account is like super small, so like is it worth getting?
It's like $100 a year, isn't it?
But one day it won't be small. That's the goal, right?
So what's wrong with just trading on Coinbase?
The fees are astronomically
Yeah, it's
high,
ridiculous.
and you
They don't
can't
have
leverage trade.
Dude, a
That's the
guy
problem.
posted on Twitter. He's getting reamed now, but he bought 30 grand worth of Ripple. He paid
Oh.
$500 in fees.
Neil Heide.
Holy shit.
Yeah.
Okay, well, that's what everyone's tripping on. He bought Ripple.
Yeah,
That's not
he.
very
Oh yeah,
smart.
it's down like 20 or 30% since when he bought. So he's getting murdered.
That's never good. You hate to see it. It truly is a zero-sum game sometimes.
The problem with most of my targets that I gave Dom, is we're end of year, so the low volume can easily push this shit around. But yes, I think the 107 target is still definitely in play. Starbucks is actually doing better than a lot of other stocks. It's getting a decent amount of volume. Yeah, I like 107. I think you'll be able to get that.
What do you think about Amazon?
The 1 hour on Starbucks is like a complete flat top. So if you break this top, it should fly.
Are you still on Amazon?
Amazon's been doing pretty good.
It went up and went down. Yeah, I got in it yesterday, and it went up. Now it's back down.
It's playing that trade, that 3,400 trade that I posted. You almost hit your target. There's almost no drawdown on that trade too. Very little. How does the automated trading work on there, Castro?
I don't use any of the automated trading.
I
Like
mean,
the
do you get
the
you have
bots.
you have access to it though, don't you?
Yeah, I just don't use it.
Do you like build your own bots or something?
You can build your own bot, yeah. Like you can build like a conservative dollar cost average bot. You could build like a very aggressive open trades for smaller profits.
Yeah.
Like scalps really aggressively. I don't know. I've never really used them. There's an options bot on here too, but I haven't taken any options on crypto.
Yeah. Well, you can't.
I don't even have
the only real exchange that does it is Deribit, and they they banned all the U.S. citizens again.
Yeah, I don't have a Deribit account, which I probably should make one.
You can't. They force KYC'd, I'm pretty sure.
Even with
like it's not a
VPN?
VPN thing. Like they force KYC. Like they did what BitMEX
Oh.
did. Like you have to verify your account or you can't use it.
Well, I got a different identity. I could, I just say that on stream.
No.
Yeah, we're on stream. We're on stream.
Hypothetically.
Like watch The Office. You know how like Creed had multiple identifications.
Yeah.
Yeah, I know Steve Carell. He's fucking hilarious, man.
www.creedthoughts/www.creedthoughts.
More dots.
That part's good. Yeah, the funny part is when Ryan's like, even for the internet, it's pretty shocking.
dots?
More nuts?
Okay, stop dots.
Oh, shit.
This fucking clip right here. Oh my god, this shit gets me every time.
Oh, that's a good one too. When they're like, "Why do you need this many magic sets?"
So
You know you can't just declare it.
I know it's probably not related, but it's fucking hilarious. Every time Biden speaks, the market goes down. I get a message on Twitter. Live now, President Biden speaks. Look at SPY.
You know, they should just make you send in a picture of your neck beard, and that should verify
Yeah, that's your
identity.
KYC.
Xpeng made a new high as well, and then it came right back down 20 cents.
Bernie Sanders says he will filibuster the defense bill vote over the New Year's holiday if the Senate attempts to draw out vote on the $2,000 stimulus checks.
Can they just like stop talking about it and just sign it already? Damn.
Like the witness protection program.
Silver looks like around the bottom.
Apple's dropping hard, wasn't it? Doing really well.
Yeah, I don't get it. Yeah.
Oh, it is
was.
dropping a little bit. Yeah.
Silver has a rounded bottom on the 15-minute.
It hit that target. We had a 138 target on Apple. That was the all-time high, actually. It hit the all-time high and then wicked it. You'll probably come back down to fill the gap, probably around 132. Yeah, you just lost a 15-minute pivot. You'll probably fill the gap.
Why is Apple nuking?
Just an all-time high failure. It's the last day to sell, too. So people are probably selling.
Last day to sell for what?
Wait, what?
Taxes.
Why is it
Taxes.
Why is today?
Oh,
Because it takes time to settle, Castro.
Oh, I see.
right. The 2-3 days, whatever.
Yeah.
Man, you're so smart. I didn't even think about that, bro.
I didn't think about it either.
So-
Somebody said it in Discord earlier. I forgot about it.
So that means after today, tomorrow is really bullish, I guess.
Well, if anyone wants to close their positions and get the tax benefit, so for like if it's a losing trade, like you can mark it as a loss, right? Or to lower how much you made for the year. So like if you made 10,000, you're in a $2,000 losing position. You know what I mean? Close it. If you want to do that, you have to close it today.
We have a full moon, December 31st. Moon indicators. The wolves are gonna come up.
Wait, what's gonna happen?
We have a full moon, December 31st.
And what's that gonna happen? What happens then?
That's extremely bullish, man. Let's just wait and see.
What the fuck?
Kaylin, the only way that would make sense is if they were in like puts. So
who the fuck?
If they were in a bunch of puts, they would close them for the tax loss harvest. I wasn't saying that. I wasn't saying that's what was happening. I was just saying that is a possibility. More likely, the all-time high just had too much sell pressure. They also had bad news. They had news about their child labor or their slave labor in China. Is she really tall or is he really short?
Dude, that's what I was trying to figure out. No, that guy's short.
Yeah, is it like an optical illusion?
No, he's short. Look at the door.
Exactly,
Yeah.
dude. Scale the door for scale.
Hey, she's pretty tall though. She's almost taller than the door, but she's got heels on.
Yeah. So when you're eye level with a doorknob, you can get an Amazon if you buy Tesla calls.
Oh, dude, I could use this girl for like my pickup basketball games. I
Keep
need
it.
to
Yeah.
Yeah. Seriously, man.
Keep an eye on Snapchat. You're finally bouncing off that accumulation. You have a big accumulation on the monthly view app.
I was just about to say he wants to reclaim 51.
Yeah, Snapchat is strong.
How our post game is.
She'd be like, both teams play it hard.
Sees just straight up. Here's the thing, man. Everyone's the same height in bed, you know? All right, I'm done.
I think those people are not.
No, that doesn't. That quote does not work, Castro. And I would go over why that does not work, but we're streaming right now, so we'll leave it for another time.
Just playing like I'm 5.
She's the only thing she's doing with him is tucking him in.
Grabbing stuff from the top shelf. Babe, can you grab the...
Yeah. Can you grab the blender?
Oh, shit. Southern California stay-at-home lockdown extended indefinitely.
Big shocker there.
Oh, wait. Oops, I linked the wrong thing. Or that. It's old news? It just came out 4 minutes ago. How is this old news?
California is a bunch of Nazis. Old news? Question mark?
Question mark? If it's from the future.
Dude, what am I supposed to do, man? I'm going crazy.
Old news. It's 4 minutes old.
Kip's wild, bro.
He's a 1 minute trader. Fucking old news.
4 minutes ago? Eh.
I already opened and closed that position.
Priced in.
It's priced in.
So you're telling me the only way I can get out of my house and do something is if I go protest?
Yep.
It's like an exploit.
Actually, there's probably precedence for the religious stuff, because
Have a religious protest.
what happened in New York? Didn't the Jews win that lawsuit?
You might be allowed to burn buildings down.
That's
I'm not
true.
sure.
That's true.
Oh, okay.
While
This
doing
is-
heroin and cocaine.
No, that's only legal in like Portland.
So what do they do
or
about the
Washington.
homeless people?
You're exempt if you're homeless. I'm not even kidding you. There's like the stay-at-home order PDF that I got.
Where are they going to stay? They don't have a home.
Got to stay in your tent.
Underneath the bridge?
Yo, so do you know where? I don't know. You guys don't know where Echo Park is. See, you know where Echo Park is.
Of course.
Echo Park has been like renovated, you
Gentrified.
know. But the amount of homeless people that live in Echo Park is like astonishing. Like there's just tents everywhere.
Is that the one in Compton?
No, it's the
No.
one in
Northern or
Silver
Central.
Lake / downtown LA. So Echo Park was like the scariest place I've ever been like 10 years ago. I thought I was gonna get stabbed trying to get like a fake
Imagine
ID.
in the 90s.
Trying to get a fake
bro.
ID, is that what you said?
Walk
Yeah, when I
down
was
here.
18, like 12, wait, how old am I? Anyways, years ago. Trying to get a fake ID there.
I
and it
used
was
to
the
get my
scariest place I've ever been.
I used to get my pogs there.
Hogs, dude.
Hey Castro, how do I where do I see my code or my wallet number to send Bitcoin to FTX? I can't find it.
You can't send BTC, you have to send USDC or USD.
Oh, no shit.
Yeah, you can't. Yeah, it's not a Bitcoin. It's all USD there.
No shit.
I think I sent USDC or USDT, and then you just convert it to
So
USD.
on Kraken, I would just, because I have everything in US dollar on Kraken.
Oh,
Yeah,
I
but-
literally said on crack.
You have to send check your wallet on FTX and see if there's a US Tether or a DC wallet. I did this like a year ago, so I don't really remember.
Worst case scenario, you're just gonna have to buy USDC on Coinbase and send it over.
Yeah, but if you're on Kraken, you should be able to change USD to a stable coin.
This is your brain. This is
Yeah, I
your
think
brain.
I think I could. I'm almost positive I can buy USDC on Kraken, like with my US dollar. I can convert it to USDC.
You guys remember that?
1 minute till close, guys. 1 minute till close. The
This
bell
your
is gonna
brain.
ring.
This is your brain on drugs. Any questions?
I do
You
remember
guys
that.
don't remember
No,
that?
I remember that.
They would put the egg in the frying pan.
Leon said I've sent Bitcoin to FTX. You lying, Castro?
Oh, I
They're
don't
all
know,
too
maybe
young for that, C's.
you can. And
No,
then
do you
you
remember the
just sell it.
commercials where like the teenage girls were smoking cigarettes on the couch and they were like the couch was like eating them? Because it was like trying to portray that they were like bums basically.
So I still watch the Devil's Number.
Or the stop smoking one.
That's what I mean. Yeah,
With
the smoking
guy with the
commercials.
Hey,
the
and we're
voice
done.
box.
Market close, boys.
Snapchat
with the
strong
voice
close. I like that close.
Remember the guy with the voice box about stop
Yep.
smoking?
Yep. So American Eagle did exactly what I did not want it to do. So if it starts breaking downward tomorrow, I'm probably going to cut that trade for a very small loss.
So can you trade GBTC
Ooh.
24/7?
Siri had a nice little pump in the close. No, you cannot. It's technically a security. It's a stock.
I don't even know where you trade that.
It's just a regular stock. I'm pretty sure.
Hold on, is it? Do
Oh,
you
it's
have it on
it's
Tasty?
OTC. It's OTC. You have to be able to trade OTC stocks.
Oh, is that why the fees are so high?
Snapchat close is ugly. The daily close, yeah. The intraday close is good. The daily close is horrendous. I do see that. But like the short time frames are nice.
Yeah, I feel like Neo, Xpeng, and Lee, they're gonna continue running into Neo's battery day.
You see how high they made Corey Seager look in the bobblehead?
You see this?
So much taller than Walker Bueller. They're like the same.
What the fuck is he? Dude, he looks so faded.
I like how you have two baby Yodas.
Yeah, one's my cell phone holder and one's a Bluetooth speaker that moves with the music. In my Christmas present.
Steve,
Nice.
is that a Victoria's Secret cologne right there?
They make cologne?
Yeah, they do. That's the secret. They're
Oh, it's
clones.
Mont Blanc, I think. I got it at Macy's.
Bitcoin's pumping.
No, it's... J-May, are you still long? On
Told you, man.
BTC?
Fucking
We all long, boys.
Long and strong,
we long
dude.
long with Bitcoin, man.
But all right, guys. I am not going to bore you guys any longer. I'm going to call it a stream. I'll be posting some analysis tomorrow or later today. I didn't post it yesterday because I did the summary of markets. But I'll post analysis later tonight. And then I'll see you guys tomorrow.
later, man.
You guys have a good one. Peace out.
Everybody.